start off telling me, what was the most shocking part about this lawsuit that you filed on Friday?
The age of my client and what happened to her and the manner in which it happened, the fact that somebody employed by the city of Florissant used his city issued badge and patrol car to do this, to gain access to this very young woman's intimate photos and take them. It was shocking.
And after reading through the lawsuit, it seems as if Jane Doe's lawsuit is very similar to Mary's.
Yes, I've unfortunately, since the story initially came out, a number of other victims have come forward to my office, and we're aware that this was a pattern and practice for at least some months with the Florissant Police Department.
And what can you tell us about this officer? I know his name isn't being released, but what can you tell us about him from what you know of him from these clients that have contacted you?
Well, we know that he did leave his name with one of the victims, and we're being respectful of the FBI's investigation. And until the indictment becomes public, if and when that happens, we'll be releasing the name as well. But in order to not compromise the investigation, we're not at liberty to disclose the name at this time.
And how disturbing is it to you as the attorney that this happened to a woman? Her photos were taken off of her phone of her as a minor.
We are in the business in my profession of seeing and dealing with some bad and disturbing conduct. And even 22 years of doing this one shook me. This is bad. It's a bad, it's as we pled, it's a violation of public trust with many victims who are totally innocent and didn't deserve this.
Now, you said other victims and clients have come to you. And does this involve other young women?
Yes, and sometimes their spouses or partners.
Any other minors that you're aware of?
Can't comment at this time until any lawsuit becomes public. We can't comment. The Mary Doe case was recently filed. It was, I can tell you, the day before her high school graduation that she was pulled over by the officer who was working for the city of Florissant. But beyond, disclosing that, we can't disclose details about cases we've not yet filed.
And so Mary is 18.
She is currently 18.
And then, are you able to give us an idea of how many other victims there are in this case that have contacted you?
I cannot disclose the number.
Okay, that's okay. I just had to ask. And then the last question for you, is there anything that you would like the public to know?
Well, these lawsuits are public. Our courts are a public forum. And I know that Jane and Mary pursued these to give the other victims some encouragement to come forward, contact law enforcement about this. And we hope that that continues to happen and people continue to step forward.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time. Is there anything else that I didn't ask you that you would like to briefly discuss?
I'm here to answer your questions. The suits are public, and what I can tell you is we stand by our research of these claims. We stand by the statements that our clients have made in these cases. If there's anything else I can answer for you, I'm happy to give it my best shot. But I think that here the lawsuits speak for themselves.